Hey there, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a UK style Afrobeat in FL Studio. If you know what to do, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with picking out the drum samples, alright, using Splice. Alright, I like that kick. Let's get a rim shot in and play a simple pattern. Then we're going to use a little bit of EQ to cut out on the low end and a little bit of the high end to get it to fit into the style I want. Alright, then let's have it on that layer. Think I like that. Let's drag it in. Copy and paste. Adjust the volumes. All right. Let's have some hi-hats in. Play some simple patterns too. All right. Sounds good. Let's have a hi-hat loop in to add some more groove to our drums. This is from the Unison loop pack. Then let's chop up the hi-hat loop a little bit. All right. And now we're going to play some chords, and of course we're going to be using chords from the Chartbuster MIDI chord pack, which you can get in the link in the description below. 45 amazing Afrobeat chords. All right. I think I like the sound. Yeah. All right. I like it. Piano roll, go to the folder, drag and drop. Not bad. I think I like this one more. Nice. Now let's have a kalimba layer. All right, we'll copy and paste. Let's stretch this out a little bit. I think I like this vibe better than the previous one with just the chords. Yeah, that's the vibe. All right, let's have an 808. Because it's very common to hear 808s in UK style Afrobeats. And for us to play, whether it's chords, bassline, or melodies, it's easy when you can see the ghost notes of your chords. And that's why I'm going to copy the chord progression and paste it into a new pattern, then turn it off so I don't hear the sound. All right, then follow the ghost notes and make a very simple 808 bass line. Create a new pattern, then paste, then turn it off so it doesn't make a sound. think I like this vibe. Let's record that in. Let's use an EQ to shape the sound a little bit to fit into the vibe I want. Let's record that in. All right, pitch it down. I like this sample, but I think it's too busy in the song, right? So we're going to chop it. Just take a very small portion out and repeat it scantily along the track. Yeah, like that. Adjust the volume. So let's see if we can find a vocal sample that makes sense on Splice. Then of course we're going to add a couple of effects to process it to make it sound even more interesting. Like typically for vocals or melody samples, I like using EQ or Little Water Boy to change the format, right? So to make it sound deeper or lighter. Then maybe some flanger or phaser and sometimes a reverb. I like that one. So let's chop that up. So I've done a little bit of arrangement, right? So let's see how it sounds so far. So I want that to happen just before the hook starts. So we're going to just select a portion of it, then chop it up, all right? Then let's see how we can do that. Now I'm chopping that part because it's the same chord progression as the part where the intro ends, all right? So when you chop that up and you bring it there, it's going to still sound accurate. Okay, so you have to make sure wherever you're chopping and you want to do the repeats or the repetition, right, is the same chord progression, so it doesn't sound out of key or out of pitch or just awkward. All right, let's deselect that, then reduce it, then repeat. Let's chop that last part into two. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave me with a thumbs up so other people that need helpful videos like this can easily find it right here on YouTube. I remain so classy. This is SC2. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Cheers.